Guys, so today, actually first, I was out mowing with my Sears here, and then I was right here, and like I took a pass with it, and only the center blade was actually mowing stuff. So I'm guessing the belt that's right inside here. Sorry about the lighting. But the belt that's inside there, I'm guessing is kinda, I guess it like broke probably. So I'm going to be replacing that belt, and I figured since I'm at it, I'm going to be painting all of the mower deck, like a restoration on the mower deck. I'm not going to be replacing spindles or anything because those are all still fine. I'm just going to be painting it and making it look a lot better. I already painted the underside of it, so I'm not going to be painting that. But I'm just going to be painting like all the brackets and everything and all this. Taping like all the stickers and serial numbers off. So I'm going to work on getting this torn apart. So actually right here's the color. It's Crayon. Matte clamshell. It's pretty close. It's just a very, very little bit lighter, but I googled it and I couldn't find anything on the colors of it. So I just took a bracket with me and I matched it up as good as I could. So I'm going to start taking it apart, and then once I figure out what was wrong with it, I will get back to you guys. Well, as you see here, I've got everything taken apart. The belt is what happened. It did break, as you see right there. I cleaned up the little pan that goes over the top of all the pulleys and everything. I've got all the linkage and brackets and everything off. Now I'm going to probably be like taking off some of this little stuff, like the tires and wheels, that kind of stuff, and like this little bar right here. So then I can tape off like the rest of it and paint it. I actually might take this pulley off too. I don't know. Probably not though. Probably not gonna take any of the pulleys off. Probably just tape them off and then paint them black. But anyway, that's just all I really wanted to share with you guys for now. So stay tuned for the finished product. Well, I've got everything apart. I've painted a couple things. Right, here's the mower deck, everything taken off of it. But like it's been like 2 days since I've done the last clip, just because I needed paint and everything. But I painted 2 things. It's way over there, so I'm just gonna cut the clip. But this thing is really like it's still heavy, but it's way lighter without like spindles in it or anything. But I've got everything wire wheeled and wire brushed. I'm gonna tape off like the serial number, that sticker, even though I could get a new one, but still. Then I'm gonna paint all the rest, and then also these little studs. But I'm gonna paint all the rest. I'll walk over there. I'm gonna cut the clip. I'll walk over there, show you guys what I've painted. It's over there. And then also I painted like all the linkage. But so I'm gonna I'll just walk to the linkage, but I didn't take it apart, but I just took it apart, just this little piece right here, but I didn't take any of the other stuff apart. I put a new grip on it from one of my newer mowers because the old one, your hand would slip right off of it. But I've got all this painted satin black. I've got the spindles painted satin black. Got a new oiler pulley. Belt guard there. Other little belt keeper right there. All my nuts and bolts and everything are in there. I got all new nuts and bolts. Well, not for everything, but for like spindles and everything, because those things were rusted. I sheared like 4 or 5 of them off. So I'm gonna walk over to all the other parts. So right here's all the parts. Originally I was using this color right here. It's the matte clamshell, but it's nothing like the cap showed. So instead I went over here to Rust-Oleum. Like that was the color of the clamshell. So I ended up going to gloss almond, and that just happened to be just a hair off. So I sprayed everything with this, and I just did a dusting of the clamshell, and it looks like the exact same color. So if you guys are doing that, that's really close to the exact same color. I'm painting like the rims and like the little wheels over there, but yeah. So I'm going to work on painting that, and then also I'm going to actually no, I'm not gonna sand it because I already war wheeled it. But anyway, so I'm gonna work on painting that with them colors. So once I get like a first or second coat on it, I will be back. Got this third coat on it. There it is. It's I did the first coat in the clamshell, and then I did the second one in the almond, and then also a third one in almond. I'm gonna do a couple more coats of almond, and I'm just gonna put like a dusting of clamshell over it, and I'll call it good. Now here's all the parts. So this one looks nice. Got that one untaped. I've got all the parts laid out right here. So I'm gonna finish this up off camera. So well guys, it's been like 4 days since the last clip because I've been waiting on a belt. I've got the belt. Right here's the route that it runs. So right here's where it begins, right here at the start, and then it runs down to the first spindle, then to the second spindle, then up to an idler, and then this is also the third spindle. But right here's where the idler goes. I got a new idler because the old one was like rusted out, and it would have just chewed up the belt. This belt was about 25 bucks, I think. So I've got everything painted, as you see in right here. There's all the linkage. Here's the cover, little belt guards and everything. So I'm gonna be working on putting everything back together right now. Come on. There we go. But that goes just like that. Well, not quite like that. Just like that. So then all the linkage goes on top, right there, and right there. Then it all bolts together. So I'm gonna get this top little plate right here, like cover, I guess, bolted on, and I will get back to you. Got all the cover on and everything, and now I'm working on putting the like all the linkage and everything that hooks it up onto the mower on. As you see, it's got some scratches and everything in it. So I'm gonna take a brush and spray some paint in a cup and just kind of brush it back over a little bit and cover them up. And focus, there we go. Like right there, there's one going right through there. I don't know how good you can see that. Through there. The shadows all messed up, but yeah. What I'm trying to say is that there's a bunch of scratches in it, and I'm gonna be fixing it with some paint in a cup and with a paintbrush. So stay tuned for the finished. We got all like the scissor lift and everything put back together. It works. So right here would be fully maxed out onto the ground, and then right here would be all the way raised up. I put a new grip on it so my hand wouldn't slip. I've got all this bolted back together down here. It took a little bit because all this right here, all the linkage like to raise up and down was on top of all this stuff. So I ended up having to take this arm off right here and mess around with it for a minute to get it to go under, but I got it. Then I got this put back together. So I'm gonna be doing 1 or 2 more clips in this video. Just like I might put it on the mower. I actually probably will. Right now it has my belly blade on it, because I smoothed out my racetrack out back there. If you watched the Odyssey video, you'd know what I'm talking about. And also my first video, my not-so mower. But, so, here it is. Finished product. I don't have this tightened down because I need to take it off to put the main drive belt back on, but actually, wait, it's not finished. I need to put tires on it. So, I need to paint one of them yet, so I guess stay tuned until the finished product with tires on it. So, it's been like 2 weeks since I last put a video out, because just last week we went on vacation to Tennessee. That was fun. But right here's the mower deck. The finished product. Well, I didn't finish the scratches, but this is as close as I'm going to be able to get because I just want to get this video out for you. So here it is. That looks yellow, but it's not. Just the way that it's glaring from the sun that isn't here. But I'm pretty happy with it. I figured out the colors for like the old Sears colors, or what's really close to it anyway. And I'm gonna put a picture like right in here somewhere showing what it is. It's from another YouTube video, and it was in the comments, so I just took that and I figured out what colors that were like the closest that you can get to like the yellow and the white, which I just kind of made my own white though. I mean, that's really, really close. But I'm just gonna put that picture at the end of this video, so thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.